Even as he writes of true nation journey, he portrays a journey and of his history all across the subcontinent. He truly depicted the original version of ideology that Indian Muslims are two different nations with predominantly Arabic and Muslims. The Godhead symbolizing powerful guidance with God and unity as a Muslim. Muslims become one and become a platform. The Allah is one, the Prophet is one, the Quran is one, the faith is one. If all is one, the participants will never be separated each other. Today we announce that we all are one. We all continue to obey the laws of Muslims while acting according to freedom. God provided full leadership to the Muslims of subcontinent. He is great the Quranic verse to point red on forward. It could fuel his message. It could break the Muslims. His sentence, his definition, his words, and the law status is the basic for he gave the way for all Muslims to leaders. It took Adam to implement this step and this idea worked by them. Pakistan came to this distance the tracking of shape of the Gaza Street. The heartbeat for this conflict was 21st April 1938. You must believe dear Pakistani Muslims the most. These messages will never last